These are thinly sliced fresh ginger. And a piece of small lemon. Tip, in order to maximize the juice of the lemon, you can put it in the microwave for like half a minute before squeezing it. Then you can like do this, like roll it. And that's for sure it will be squeezing out almost all of the juice. After 5 minutes of soaking your fresh ginger into the hot water, you can already add your lemon juice. For me, I prefer also to add some pieces of lemon on top, just giving it a more citrusy feeling. And then after, I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of organic honey. It depends on you how much you prefer. If you want to make it more sweet, then you can add more to your liking. Okay, you stir. And this is definitely the yummiest tea party ever.